Python programming language. Functions. Unlock the power of Python functions for efficient coding and problem solving. In Python, functions defined using the def keyword followed by the function name and parameters in parentheses. The function body is indented and contains the code to execute. Function arguments can be positional, where the order matters, or keyword, where each argument is specified by name. Default arguments allow setting default values if none are provided. The return statement is used in functions to send back a result to the caller. Functions can return any type of data, and using return ends the function's execution. Lambda functions are anonymous functions defined with the Lambda keyword. They are useful for single-line expressions and often used for short, simple operations. Variable scope determines where a variable can be accessed. Local scope is within a function, while global scope is outside all functions. Variables exist only as long as their scope. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.